A very pleasant good morning to all my dear students. I welcome you all in English activity. The topic for today activity is type of clauses. Recently we have covered this chapter and it will be a fun to identify different type of sentences as noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. What for this activity you need white A4 size sheet, sketch pens and scale. Take A4 size sheet and divide the sheet into 3 columns and put the heading as noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. For this activity, different type of sentences will be given to you and you have to identify the type of clause, that what is the clause here, and it is of which type, whether it is noun clause, adjective clause or adverb clause. As I told you already, if the clause gives the answer of the question what, then it is a noun clause. If it is describing the noun, then it is adjective clause. And if it is telling you how the work has been done, when the work has been done, where the work has been done, and what is the purpose of doing the work, what is the result of doing the work, that is adverb clause. So let's start. We have few sentences with us and we are going to identify the clause as well as its type. So first sentence here with us is he drove fast so that he might reach the airport in time. Now here why he was driving fast, so that he may reach the airport in time. So this is the adverb clause of purpose. Adverb clause of purpose. So we are going to write this sentence in the column of adverb clause. And the clause here is, what is the clause here? Yes, just underline that clause. Yes, so what is the clause here? So that he might reach the airport in time. Like this, you have to underline the clause. Okay, now we have next set of sentence. The professor was speaking so softly that we couldn't hear him at all. Now we could not hear him at all is the clause here. It is which type of clause? Adverb clause, because the professor was speaking so softly, as a result of that we are not able to hear him. So this is adverb clause of consequence or result. So this is also again adverb clause. Like this, next sentence. I know a boy whose father is a doctor. Now here it is describing the boy whose father is a doctor, and the describing words are adjective clause. So whose father is a doctor is a which clause? Yes, adjective clause. So this sentence will be written in the column of adjective clause. Now next is Maria bought some flowers which she wanted to give her mother. Now she bought some flowers and it is describing that which she wanted to give her mother. That means it is describing the flowers, that these flowers are to be gifted to her mother. So which she wanted to give her mother is the clause here, and it is which type of clause? Yes, it is adjective clause again. Now, next sentence. I don't know the reason why she hates me. Now, I don't know the reason. I don't know the reason why she hates me. So, this is which type of clause? Yes, it is telling you or the reason of hating. I don't know the reason why she hates me. So this is the noun clause here. I don't know what the reason why she hates me. So why she hates me is the noun clause. Next, he confessed that he was guilty. That he was guilty is the clause. Which type of clause? If you ask question before the clause, he confessed what? So this is, if it is answering the question what, so it is a noun clause. Okay, so this is the noun clause. Next sentence. I purchased all the medicines which the doctor had prescribed. Now, which the doctor had prescribed is the clause here. Which type of clause? Now it is describing here the medicines, that whatever medicines are prescribed, I purchased all the medicines. So it is an adjective clause which the doctor had prescribed. Here it is describing the medicines, that he purchased all the medicines. So this is adjective clause. Now next is, tell me the school where you studied. Tell me the school where you studied. So this is which type of clause? Yes. Tell me the school. Now here it is asking you about the school where you studied. So this is again adjective clause. So like this, you have to perform this activity. You have to, sentences will be given to you, and you have to write down the sentences in the respective column of noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. So like this, the activity will, through this activity you will be able to identify clauses and its type. So with this, I would like to end today's class. I hope you enjoyed and learned about different type of clauses. Thank you and have a nice day.